In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TradingView Fibonacci tool. Begin by opening your chart. Any market or time frame works for learning, but pick a clean example so the swings are easy to see. On the left-hand side, find the toolbar. Look for the Gann and Fibonacci tools icon. Then click the small arrow to expand the full list. You'll see several options here, including Fib retracement, Fib channel, and Fib time zone. For this walkthrough, select Fib retracement. With the Fib retracement tool active, you'll draw it based on the market's direction. In an uptrend, click the significant swing low to set your starting point. Then drag to the swing high and release. TradingView will automatically plot Fibonacci levels between those 2 points. These horizontal lines mark potential support zones where price might pause or bounce during a pullback. Common levels include 0.382, 0.5, and 0.618. And you'll often hear traders refer to the golden zone, which is the area between 0.382 and 0.618. This zone is frequently watched for high probability reversal points within an uptrend. If the market is trending down, do the opposite. Click the swing high to start, drag to the swing low and release. The levels now act as potential resistance during rallies against the trend. It's the same logic, just flipped for a downtrend. Make sure your anchor points are clear and decisive swings. The cleaner the points, the more meaningful the levels tend to be. Next, customize the tool so it matches your style and helps you focus. Double-click the fib you've drawn to open the settings. Here, you can change colors for better visibility. Remove levels you don't use such as 0.236 or 0.786 to reduce clutter or add extensions if you want to see projections beyond the 100% level. This keeps your chart readable and your attention on the levels that matter most to you. Remember, Fibonacci doesn't predict the future. It highlights areas where many traders expect reactions. Use it to quickly map potential support and resistance, and pay particular attention to that golden zone between 0.382 and 0.618 when assessing pullbacks. Before you wrap up, take a moment to look through the rest of the tools in that Gann and Fibonacci list. It's helpful to know what's available, even if Fib retracement is your mainstay. That's it. Thanks for watching.